I welcome you all girls to the certificate course in Art of Communication, a collaborative activity of Srimati Banzani Mahila Mahavidyalaya and Rajkumar Keval Ramani Kanya Mahavidyalaya. I hope your journey, your 6 days journey in this course will be very, very interesting. Today, on the first day of your certificate course, I, Dr. Suchita Marathe, Associate Professor at Srimati Banzani Mahila Mahavidyalaya, would be dealing with the first topic, and the title of my topic is Basics of Communication Skills. Basics of Communication Skills. So girls, let us begin with the first question, a very basic question. What is communication? So let us find out its definition. Communication, in simple words, is the exchange of ideas, information and opinions between two persons or in a group. Now here there is a diagram of process of communication. Let us try to understand this diagram. You will see a man standing behind the mic. He is called as the source. So he is the person who will be encoding the message. He will be preparing the message with language. Then you will find the second component of communication, that is the channel. Now here you see that there are two channels. One is the mic which amplifies the sound, and one is the air which takes the sound to the receivers. Now the third is the message. Now whatever the person is talking, encoding through language, that is the message. Now the message gets transmitted, and the receivers who are sitting in front of him, who are listening to him, they will receive the message. They have some knowledge of the language in which he is speaking, and they will be able to decode that message, and they will be able to understand what he is trying to say. So, and they will give him a feedback that it was a very good lecture, they understood everything. Yes. So in this way, these are all the components in a communication process: source, channel, message, receivers and feedback. Now you see the example that the person is talking on environment, and in between he will ask a question that how many of you are doing something to save the environment. Now this question will go as a message to the receivers, and some of them will raise their hands and they will answer that I am doing such and such things. I am planting trees. I plant a tree every year on my birthday. So that is the feedback they will give him. So what he will understand, that they are attentive to him. Yes, they are listening to him, they are attentive to him. So girls, in this process of communication, you will find out that feedback is the most important step. Without feedback, no communication process takes place. You know, there is a very big proverb about communication, that many a times there is only an illusion of communication. Illusion जानते हो, सिर्फ हमको लगता है कि communication हुआ है, communication होता नहीं है. Next is, you have to think, why do I need communication skills? Why are they so much important in life? Because we need communication at our every step and during each of our endeavors. Endeavors यानी जो कुछ भी एक्टिविटी हम काम करते हैं, हर जगह हमको लोगों से मिलना पड़ता है, और हर जगह हमको अलग अलग कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. Sometimes you need to impress others, other times you need to avoid miscommunications, then to develop and maintain relations to avoid bias. So then and then only you will be having a smooth flow of ideas. अगर आपके पास सही चीज़ है, सही जगह है बोलने के लिए, आप जानते हो कि वो क्या बोलना है, कहाँ बोलना है, कैसे बोलना है, तो फिर कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा होगा. दैट मीन्स यू हैव गॉट गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स एंड यू विल बी एबल टू इम्प्रेस अदर्स विद गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. फिर गलत फहमियाँ नहीं होंगी. मिसकम्युनिकेशन होगा क्या? नो, देयर विल बी नो मिसकम्युनिकेशंस because you will be saying the right thing at the right time to the right person at the right occasion, and then you will be able to develop healthy relationship with everyone, strong bonds with everyone, and you will not have any kind of bias against anyone. कोई मनमुटाव नहीं होगा, किसी से भी दुश्मनी नहीं होगी, कुछ नहीं होगा. किसी को आप ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे कि वो हमसे बात नहीं करती, क्योंकि आप ही खुद जाकर उससे बात करोगे और आप जान पाओगे कि वो एक अच्छी लड़की है, वो एक अच्छी फ्रेंड हो सकती है, बिकॉज यू हैव गॉट कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. सो दैट इज़ फॉर द स्मूथ फ्लो ऑफ आइडियाज़ बिटवीन टू पीपल you need good communication skills. Now here I have put a very short video about a rabbit, and you will see that it is a very small animal. It doesn't have much physical strength, but it is able to save its life with good communication skills. Now why I put this video? To tell you the importance of communication skills in life. So you see that the rabbit is able to have good communication skills, and even though it does not have physical strength, it talks with the bear and says that, can you take me off the list? I hope you will were able to understand the story. So it could save its life with its good communication skills. Now here I have put certain occasions where we need good communication skills, and what are those different communication skills, because communication skills can again be bifurcated into so many different kind of skills. Now you should know how to compliment each other. आप सबको आपका दिल बड़ा करना है और एक दूसरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट देना है. अगर आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट देना आता है तो आप किसी से भी दोस्ती कर सकते हो. यस, so you need communication skills, and for that you should know how to compliment someone. But आपने मैसेज अच्छा किया है, लेकिन अगर टोन आपका अच्छा नहीं है, आप कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते समय टोन अच्छे से यूज़ नहीं करते, आप बोलते हैं कि अच्छी दिख रही हो तुम, so then it doesn't look like a compliment, it looks like a taunt. So the tone of the compliment should also be right. Then many times we have to give suggestions. There are discussions going on, and as an important member in the discussion you need to suggest, but then you should make your suggestion in a very polite manner. If someone is saying something different and you want to make a suggestion that we can do that same thing in some other way, then of course you have to say it very politely that, can I suggest something? See, if you are able to feel, or if you feel that we can do it in that way, I will just like to suggest. So you have to be very, very polite. Then the next skill which you need is to summarize. See, you go to a movie, a 3 hour movie, and you come back, and then your friends ask you, "अरे कैसी रही movie? Story तो बताना." Yes. So then, are you going to tell each and everything which has happened in the movie? So you will be wasting another 3 hours, isn't it? So no, you're not going to waste another 3 hours. What you're going to do is use your summarizing skills. आपको जो 3 घंटे में हुआ वो 10-15 मिनट में आपको स्टोरी के माध्यम से सिर्फ प्लॉट बताना है कि क्या क्या हुआ. टू इंटरोगेट यानी टू क्वेश्चन, किसी को सवाल करके उनसे इंफॉर्मेशन निकालनी है. तो you should have the skill. Many a times there are occasions in life where you need to question people and take out information from them. So you should know, you should develop skills on how to question that people without hurting them and without. So many a times you feel that your friend is sad, yes, but you feel that she may not like to share. So you give her time, and then very tactically you try to find out what is wrong with your friend. So that is interrogation. You ask her certain questions, and then you also say that okay, if it is too personal you shouldn't say, but I am there as your friend. If you want to share something, can you share it with me? You can lighten your load by sharing with me. So in this way you try to seek out information from people, and you help to develop your relations. Then next is to inspire. There are again many occasions, like many of you might be second year girls and final year girls in your college. So you must have taken part in many activities, and you must have done organization of so many programs. But this year the first year students will come, and they will also become a part. So you as seniors, what you have to do, you have to inspire them to take part in different activities. Now how you will inspire them? You will say that these are good activities, I learned so many things from them, I developed my personality, so you should also take part. So in this way you should inspire people. If someone is shy to take part in debate competition, you should say that yes, it is always first time for everyone, I was also shy but I learned. So this is the way you should inspire people. Then the next occasion which I am going to talk to you is to soothe. Yes, people might be in a bad mood, they have had bad results, they have had a bad interview, and they are not in a good mood. So as a friend, as a relative, as a colleague, many a times we have to help them. Now how will you help them? Again, without hurting their emotions, you have to tell them that this is not the end of the road. One interview is not the end of the road, or one exam is not the end of the road. They will have another opportunities, and in this way you have to take that person out from his negativity towards positivism. Yes, out from pessimism towards optimism. The next occasion which I am dealing with is to pacify. Many a times, people are they become very vociferous, they become angry, yes, they become totally emotional, they start shouting loudly. So in this occasion आपको आपके कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स काम में आते हैं. जैसे हनुमान के पास गदा थी या अर्जुन के पास बो एंड एरो था, वैसे ही आपके पास क्या होना चाहिए? कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स होने चाहिए. तो आप क्या करेंगे? ऐसे व्यक्ति को शांत करेंगे. सो यू विल रिक्वायर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. सी, आगे चलकर you will be running a business, an entrepreneurship, or you will be doing a job, and you will come across different kinds of people who are irritating, who get angry very easily. So you need to tackle with them. आपको खुद को गुस्सा नहीं होना है. You should be very cool yourself. You should have loads of patience, and you should be able to pacify that person with your good communication skills. Then the next is to complain. है ना? तो दो सिचुएशंस हो सकती है इसमें। आपको इस प्रकार के इंसान मिल सकते हैं जो हमेशा निगेटिव है, कंप्लेंट करते रहते हैं, तो उनको भी टैकल करना आपको आना चाहिए। आप अगर आगे चलकर कोई बिजनेस चलाते हो तो आपके कस्टमर्स हो सकते हैं, दे कैन बी कस्टमर्स, दे कैन बी क्लाइंट्स, दे कैन बी योर कलीग्स, दे कैन बी पीपल वर्किंग अंडर यू. They might complain about certain things, but then you have to take them out again from whatever complaints they have, and you have to again lead them towards action. Yes, these are many excuses they will give you. There are loads of excuses they will give you for not working, but then you have to show them the right way. Then you yourself have to complain many a times. You have been to a movie, you have been to a hotel, you have been traveling by a train, and you are not happy with the service which you are getting, so you need to complain. So you should be able to put your complaint through a right channel in proper words, and that is the skill which you have to learn. The next occasion is when you need to assert. In life, many a times you are having discussion, you need to take a decision. Yes, and then there might be some difference of opinion. One might be saying that this is the way it should be done, one might be saying that that is the way it should be done. But if you feel that whatever you are saying is right, if you have total confidence in whatever you are saying, at that time, for the good of the organization or for the good of your family, you should be able to assert yourself. आपको क्या करना है था? फर्म रहना है कि नहीं, इस चीज़ को ऐसा ही किया जाएगा। मुझे पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस है कि हमारे कॉलेज के लिए, हमारे ऑफिस के लिए, हमारे घर के लिए, हमारे फैमिली के लिए इसको इस तरह से ही करना अच्छा है. So what you need to do is to assert. So sometimes you need the skills of assertion. So in this slide we have seen how to give compliments in a proper manner, what are the different occasions, to give suggestions, to summarize, to interrogate, to inspire, to soothe, to pacify, to complain, and to assert. We are continuing with the same topic. Why do we need communication skills? So another occasion is to inform. Many times we have to spread information, and you should know how to spread information without boring people, without irritating people. So you need good, interesting communication skills to engage people and to talk with them and to inform them. The next skill is to explain. That is what a teacher does every day. Yes, and if you are in a tourist industry, then if your reception is there, you need to explain to people that what is the tour about, what are the facilities you will be giving in the tour, how will be the food, whether you will give veg and non-veg. So things you have to explain, or information. Now in explanation you will also can give the example of essay. A topic is given, and then you need to use your analytical skills. You analyze the topic into subtopics and you explain the topic. Then the next skill is to convince. This is a very important skill in business, entrepreneurship, or when you are doing a job of a salesman. See, you have a product and you need to sell that product, but first you should do your homework. You should try to find out very good positive points about that product. You should get convinced yourself first that these are the things which are the best about the product, and then you should go about advertising that product. So your convincing skills are very important. If there is a toothpaste which you want to sell, find out what are the good things about the toothpaste, and then you can advertise that toothpaste to make the teeth white. Then the next skill which I am going to talk about is to pursue. Yes? Pursue means किसी चीज़ के पीछे लगना या किसी व्यक्ति के पीछे लगना. Yes? तो वो कैसे पीछे लगना, यानी क्या है कि आपको उससे आपका काम करवाना है. कुछ काम है आपको, आप लीडर हैं या फिर आप कोई बिज़नेस चलाते हैं, 4 लोग आपके अंडर काम करते हैं, तो उनसे काम करवाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. उनसे पीछे लगना बहुत ज़रूरी है. टू मॉनिटर व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, टू परस्यू दैट व्हाट दे आर डूइंग इज़ in the right way or not. Yes, so these persuasion skills are very important. Now is a person might not be happy with what he is doing, and you feel that he will be able to do these things very properly, so you try to convince that person, you try to pursue that person. Many times हम लोग जब कॉलेज में होते हैं तो आपको किसी सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स को एनरोल करना है या फिर अलग किसी एक्टिविटीज़ में एनरोल करना है, तो बहुत बार आप लोग बोलते हैं नहीं मैडम बहुत हो गया, ये ऐसे नहीं कर सकती मैं, ऐसा होता है. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, परस्यू करते हैं, आपको कन्विंस करते हैं कि नहीं ये आपके लिए ज़रूरी है, आपकी पर्सनालिटी के लिए ज़रूरी है. सो दोज आर परसुएशन स्किल्स एंड अल्टीमेटली आप हाँ बोलते हो. देन टू एलैबोरेट, हमने समराइजिंग स्किल्स में देखा कि किसी भी बड़ी चीज़ को आपको छोटा करना है. टू एलैबोरेट, दैट इज़ अपोजिट. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, a small matter is given and you need only points are given, 2 to 3 points are given and you need to elaborate on those points. Yes, so I think to inform, to explain, to convince, to pursue, to elaborate, these are the occasions which need different communication skills which we have seen in this slide. Let us move on. This picture is very symbolic. We see we require a lot of preparation for effective communication. Can we develop communication skills? Yes, we can. आपने देखा होगा कि मैंने फॉन्ट बहुत बड़ा यूज़ किया है, बिकॉज क्या कहना चाहती हूँ मैं, यस कि यस वी कैन, हम कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स डेवलप कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई देर आर सो मैनी वर्कशॉप्स ऑन कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. नाउ बिफोर दिस वर्कशॉप you have attended one on WAD, attitude development. In that also you have seen communication skills, how they are important. So communication skills, as we have seen in the different occasions which I have talked about, they are very important and yes they can be developed. लेकिन कैसे? थ्रू स्टडी. आपको मेहनत करनी है, सीखना है, ऑब्जर्वेशन करना है, अलग अलग लोगों को आपको देखना है, ऑब्जर्व करना है, उनसे सीखना है कि वो कैसे कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. और फिर लास्ट है प्रैक्टिस, प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रैक्टिस. बहुत 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 लगातार ये चीज़ आपको करनी है, प्रैक्टिस करते रहना है. जैसे आप बोलेंगे हम लोग टीचर्स हैं, लेकिन हमारी ये प्रोसेस थमी नहीं है. We are still on the road to enhance our communication skills. Every day we meet new people. Like we used to take live classes, but now we are learning technology so that we can communicate to you through this technology. So every day is what? A good teacher for you. Every day we learn so many new things. So this process of communication skills, development of communication skills is an endless process. What happens when we do not develop communication skills? क्या होता है? देखो नीचे क्या लिखा है, life becomes miserable. Miserable, all of you know, बहुत दुखियारी जिंदगी बन जाती है. Yes, if you don't have communication skills, you become dukhi atma. See the picture which I have included. Look at this man, how he is looking. See, he is looking very very miserable. And why? Because he doesn't have communication skills. He doesn't have the required communication skills, and therefore he is very very miserable. Now what happens when there is lack of communication skills? आपकी ज़िंदगी में, आपकी पर्सनालिटी में communication skills नहीं है, तो फिर क्या होता है हम देखते हैं. ये एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कार्टून है जो मैंने इंटरनेट में देखा, और ये दो डक्स हैं, स्विमिंग कर रहे हैं और आप देख रहे हैं वो एक्सप्रेशन वो डक का कि वो बहुत गुस्से में है, यस। और ये देखो दूसरा जो डक है वो बहुत दुखी है, और ये जो गुस्से में क्या कह रहा है इसको, ऑल यू एवर से इज क्वैक क्वैक क्वैक, यू कॉल दैट कम्युनिकेशन। Oh my God, what is a duck saying? कि तुम हमेशा क्या करते हो, क्वैक क्वैक क्वैक, और are you trying to say that that is communication? So what does that mean? What does this sentence mean? That if you're saying the same things again and again, if you do not have any new thing to offer, that means you're not polishing your communication skills. That means you have no longer remained an effective communicator. You need to update your knowledge, you have to go on reading, you have to get first hand information, you have to talk to different people, and then you will have new things to talk about, and then you will be a good communicator. तो आपने क्या जाना अभी कि आपको अगर आपके communication skills polish करने हैं तो नई चीज़ें सीखनी पड़ेंगी बात करने के लिए। अगर वही चीज़ें जो 70 साल के आपके दादा हैं ना, उनके रिकॉर्ड वहीं अटक जाती है, वो वही चीज़ें दोहराते हैं, तो आपको अभी आपके 20 साल की उम्र में ऐसा नहीं करना है। आपको नई चीज़ें सीखते रहना है। यू हैव टू गो ऑन लर्निंग न्यू थिंग्स एंड यू हैव टू ऐड न्यू थिंग्स, एंड देन योर कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस विल बी effective. Now I've added a miscommunication video.
Have you ever talked with a friend about a problem only to realize that he just doesn't seem to grasp why the issue is so important to you? Have you ever presented an idea to a group and it's met with utter confusion? Or maybe you've been in an argument when the other person suddenly accuses you of not listening to what they're saying at all. What's going on here? The answer is miscommunication, and in some form or another, we've all experienced it. It can lead to confusion, animosity, misunderstanding, or even crashing a multi-million-dollar probe into the surface of Mars. The fact is, even when face-to-face with another person, in the very same room, and speaking the same language, human communication is incredibly complex. But the good news is that a basic understanding of what happens when we communicate can help us prevent miscommunication. For decades, researchers have asked what happens when we communicate. One interpretation, called the transmission model, views communication as a message that moves directly from one person to another, similar to someone tossing a ball and walking away. But in reality, this simplistic model doesn't account for communication's complexity. Enter the transactional model, which acknowledges the many added challenges of communicating. With this model, it's more accurate to think of communication between people as a game of catch. As we communicate our message, we receive feedback from the other party. Through the transaction, we create meaning together. But from this exchange, further complications arise. It's not like the Star Trek universe, where some characters can Vulcan mind meld, fully sharing thoughts and feelings. As humans, we can't help but send and receive messages through our own subjective lenses. When communicating, one person expresses her interpretation of a message, and the person she's communicating with hears his own interpretation of that message. Our perceptual filters continually shift meanings and interpretations. Remember that game of catch? Imagine it with a lump of clay. As each person touches it, they shape it to fit their own unique perceptions based on any number of variables, like knowledge or past experience, age, race, gender, ethnicity, religion, or family background. Simultaneously, every person interprets the message they receive based on their relationship with the other person and their unique understanding of the semantics and connotations of the exact words being used. They could also be distracted by other stimuli, such as traffic or a growling stomach. Even emotion might cloud their understanding. And by adding more people into a conversation, each with their own subjectivities, the complexity of communication grows exponentially. So as the lump of clay goes back and forth from one person to another, reworked, reshaped, and always changing, it's no wonder our messages sometimes turn into a mush of miscommunication. But luckily, there are some simple practices that can help us all navigate our daily interactions for better communication. 1. Recognize that passive hearing and active listening are not the same. Engage actively with the verbal and nonverbal feedback of others and adjust your message to facilitate greater understanding. 2. Listen with your eyes and ears, as well as with your gut. Remember that communication is more than just words. 3. Take time to understand as you try to be understood. In the rush to express ourselves, it's easy to forget that communication is a two-way street. Be open to what the other person might say. And finally, 4. Be aware of your personal perceptual filters. Elements of your experience, including your culture, community, and family, influence how you see the world. Say, "This is how I see the problem, but how do you see it?" Don't assume that your perception is the objective truth. That'll help you work towards sharing a dialogue with others to reach a common understanding together.
So wasn't it an interesting video, girls? It was very nice. I liked it very much. It tells us about miscommunication. It also teaches us how to improve our communication. Now from the video we have found out, and this is the slide, the outcome of that video, that if we do not have communication skills, then as we find in the first picture that there is communication gap. The person is saying that there are 4 slabs and one person is saying there are 3 slabs, and from the picture you will find that it is not very clear. Then in this another picture you will find that these 2 people are quarreling because they are not able to communicate properly. In the third picture we find out that one person is trying to say something and the other person is not able to hear anything. There is a big question mark in his head about what he is trying to say. Now, what are the essentials for effective communication? So let us see. And the big question is, are you communicating effectively? Now first let us ponder on, let us throw light on how we spend our day. What we see, that 30% of the time we are not communicating and 70% of the time we are communicating. Now out of that communication, what kind of components we are including in that? So to our surprise, we see that 45% is listening, 30% is speaking, 16% is reading, and only 9% is writing. So whenever we talk of communication skills, we always feel that we need only speaking skills to make effective communication. But here the hidden truth has come out that what you need more than speaking, listening skills. So you need to sharpen your listening skills. If you want to become a person having good communication skills, you want to impress others with your good communication skills, then the first step towards that is developing your good listening skills. Now these are the 4 components of communication skills. You will see that thinking skills are there, listening skills are there, speaking skills are there, and non-verbal communication skills are there. So on this day 1, in the topic basics of communication skills, I will be dealing on the first 2 communication skills, that is thinking skills and listening skills. Later on in the subsequent days, different resource persons will be speaking on the speaking skills and the non-verbal communication skills. Now for good communication, are you a good listener? So this is the question you have to ask yourself. and I have enlisted a number of questions. So क्या करना है आपको, अपने आप को ये क्वेश्चंस पूछो कि आपको अगर अच्छा कम्युनिकेटर बनना है तो पहले क्या आप अच्छा लिसनर हो, क्या आप दूसरों की बातों को अच्छे से सुनते हो. ये क्वेश्चंस के लिए आपके आंसर यस है तो आप अच्छे कम्युनिकेटर बन सकते हो, क्योंकि पहली स्टेप आपने पार कर दी है, क्योंकि आप अच्छे लिसनर हो. लेकिन अगर नहीं है आंसर तो आपको यहीं से शुरुआत करनी है, स्टेप 1 से. So answer these questions. Are you interested in listening? Do you look at the speaker when listening, or are you doing something else? What is your attention span? Are you attentive for your whole English class? If someone is reading, can you concentrate and understand? When you sit in a lecture, how much do you understand? Are you able to ask doubts and questions after a lecture? I hope you are able to answer these questions. आपको लिसनिंग में इंटरेस्ट है, जब आप से कोई बात करता है आप उसकी तरफ देखते हो. आपका अटेंशन स्पैन क्या है, 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट. आप क्या 45 मिनट पूरे इंग्लिश क्लास में अटेंटिव रह सकते हो? क्या आप कोई दूसरा रीडिंग कर रहा है तो आप कंसंट्रेट कर पाते हो? क्या आप लेक्चर में बैठते हो तो आपको समझ में आता है? क्या उसके बाद आप प्रश्न पूछते हो, क्या डाउट्स रहते हैं आपके मन में जो आप पूछते हो? Now good listening skills are developed. See, these are the requirements for good listening skills. जब अच्छा कंसंट्रेशन हो, जब बातचीत हो रही है और आपका ध्यान पूरी तरह से वो बातचीत में है. और कब आपका ध्यान पूरी तरह से होगा? When will be the concentration? When you have loads of interest in the topic which is being discussed. जब वो टॉपिक आपको इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है, जो बात कर रहा है वो व्यक्ति आपको अच्छा लगता है, तब आपको इसमें इंटरेस्ट आएगा. फिर सेंस ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस, वो अगर टॉपिक आपके लिए महत्व रखता है या फिर वो व्यक्ति जो बात कर रहा है वो आपके लिए महत्व रखता है, तो फिर आपका कंसंट्रेशन, लिसनिंग स्किल्स अच्छे रहेंगे. Then reward or punishment. Yes, the moment the teacher comes in the class and she says that देखो आज क्लास के बाद मैं 4 क्वेश्चंस पूछने वाली हूँ, वो चारों के जवाब आपने ठीक दिए तो आपको प्राइज़ मिलेगा. सो दिस इज़ अ रिवॉर्ड. और फिर क्या होता है, वो पूरा क्लास आप अच्छी तरह से सुनते हो क्योंकि वो प्राइज़ आपको चाहिए. या उल्टा भी हो सकता है, वो टीचर उल्टा भी बोल सकती है कि लेक्चर के बाद मैं 4 क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी और उसमें आपको जवाब नहीं देना आया तो पनिशमेंट होगा. तो इस ओकेजन में भी आपका कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ जाएगा, लिसनिंग स्किल्स बढ़ जाएंगे. सो इफ़ यू हैव रिस्पेक्ट फॉर द पर्सन, आपके मन में जो व्यक्ति बोल रहा है उसके बारे में रिस्पेक्ट है, तो नेचुरली आपका कंसंट्रेशन लेवल, लिसनिंग स्किल्स अच्छे होंगे. नो फिजिकल एंड मेंटल बैरियर. सी, इफ़ physical barriers क्या हो सकते हैं? There can be noise, outside noise. There can be other people who are talking. So if there is no such obstruction, no such barrier, then your communication will be smooth. Then there should be no mental barriers. As I said, if the topic is interesting, no mental barrier. If the topic you don't like, it is boring, there will be a mental barrier. If you don't like the person whom with you're talking, then there will be a mental barrier. कभी कोई गेस्ट आ जाते हैं ना और आपको वो बोरिंग लगते हैं, तो उनके साथ आपका कम्युनिकेशन कैसे रहता है इमेजिन करो. और कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति आता है, ऐसा गेस्ट जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, तो उनके साथ आपका कम्युनिकेशन कैसे रहता है, कितने आपके लिसनिंग स्किल्स रहते हैं, कितना कंसंट्रेशन रहता है. तो जब कभी आप किसी दिलचस्प व्यक्ति से मिलते हो जिससे कम्युनिकेशन करना आपको अच्छा लगता है, तो नेचुरली आपके लिसनिंग स्किल्स भी अच्छे होंगे, कंसंट्रेशन भी अच्छा होगा और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छी होंगी और पूरी कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस अच्छी तरह से होगी. लेकिन आप कोई बोरिंग व्यक्ति से मिलते हो और जिनसे आपको मिलना बिल्कुल नहीं है, उनसे बातचीत नहीं करना, यू थिंक इट इज़ अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, सो नेचुरली देयर आर मेंटल बैरियर्स एंड द कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस विल नेवर बी smooth because you won't concentrate, you won't use your listening skills properly. Learn to listen to understand, not for a reply. बहुत बार हम लोग जब किसी को सुनते हैं तो उसको जवाब देने के लिए सुनते हैं, उसको समझने के लिए नहीं सुनते हैं। तो ये बात समझ में आई, जब हम किसी से बातचीत कर रहे हैं तो उसको सुनो। क्यों? क्योंकि जो वो बात कर रहा है वो आप समझ सके। ये एक एक्टिविटी मैंने डाली है, लिसन केयरफुली। द फ्रूट वेंडर वॉज नॉट वेयरिंग अ मास्क। द फ्रूट वेंडर was not wearing a mask. The world has become a global village. The world has become a global village. Has become a big global village. The policeman maintained law and order in the city. The policeman maintained law and order in the city. The students have become very smart nowadays. They are techno savvy. The Indian Army works day and night to protect our national borders and to safeguard our interest. Now you can play the slide again and again, and you can hear, or while hearing you can also write it on a piece of paper so that you can sharpen your listening skills. स्कूल में पहले ऐसा होता था, डिक्टेशन होता था वर्ड्स का या पैराग्राफ का डिक्टेशन दिया जाता था, जहां आपकी लिसनिंग स्किल्स को शार्पन किया जाता था। स्पीकिंग एंड लिसनिंग आर टू साइड्स ऑफ द सेम कॉइन। ये डायग्राम है जहां हम देख रहे हैं कि वर्ड्स जो है सिर्फ 7% मायने रखते हैं। देयर आर ओनली 7% ऑफ आवर कम्युनिकेशन। 55% of our communication is done through our body language. Yes, which you are going to learn eventually in non-verbal communication. And then there is para language, that is the tone of your voice, the pitch of your voice, the volume of your voice, the stress, the intonation. These are all aspects of para language. So whenever you are using communication, words are only 7%, उनका impact बस 7% है। 55% आपका महत्व कम्युनिकेशन का तब बढ़ जाता है जब आप उसको क्या करते हो, बॉडी लैंग्वेज के साथ जोड़ देते हो, अच्छे से बॉडी लैंग्वेज आप यूज़ करते हो, और टोन ऑफ वॉइस भी आपका राइट है, राइट मैसेज के लिए। सो योर कम्युनिकेशन विल बी इफेक्टिव। नाउ द लिसन कंटेंट शुड बी प्रोसेस। आप जो कुछ भी सुनते हो उसको आपको प्रोसेस करना है। जैसे आपके कंप्यूटर में प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट है, सीपीयू है, वैसे आपके दिमाग में एक प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट है। यस, उसका इस्तेमाल करना है। सो वॉट एवर यू लिसन यस टू, यू हैव टू प्रोसेस दैट। द मोमेंट यू आर लिसनिंग, द थिंकिंग प्रोसेस शुड स्टार्ट। नाउ व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट क्रिटिकल स्किल्स यू शुड डेवलप? रीजनिंग स्किल्स हैं। आप लॉयर बनना चाहते हैं तो आपको रीजनिंग ऐसे लिखना है, आपको डिबेट करना है, तो रीजनिंग स्किल्स आपको डेवलप करनी है। इवैल्यूएटिंग स्किल्स है, जैसे आपको किसी चीज़ को अच्छा है, बुरा है, सही है, गलत है, वैसे इवैल्यूएट करना है। प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, देन मेनी टाइम्स यू हैव टू टेक डिसीजन इन लाइफ, सो फॉर दैट you need critical thinking skills. Now decision making is there, problem solving is there. There might be problems in your life which you want to solve, then analyzing is there. When you want to write an essay, there are so many subtopics in which you can divide your topic, and then you can analyze and you can write. So reasoning, evaluating, problem solving, decision making and analyzing, these are the skills which you require. Now activity 2 is think. See, here I have taken 3 things from the internet. You read the messages on that, go through the pictures and find out if you can understand these quotes. First one is, there is also humor inside it. Don't you text me in that tone of voice. So even though in a text there is no tone, but you understand the tone, and here is the humor. Unless you want to live in a deserted island, communication is important. आपको अगर अपनी ज़िंदगी अलग से जीनी है, कोई आपसे बात नहीं करेगा, तो फिर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स मत डेवलप करो। नहीं, आपको पॉपुलर होना है तो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स ज़रूरी है। It is not distance that keeps people apart, but lack of communication. That is what we have found out now. Even though we were locked out in our homes, even though we were far away from each other, but technology has helped us to gel. We have been constantly communicating with others through this technology. We have found a way out. Then the next skill is thinking. Thinking is the most important thing for effective communication. It is always advised that we should think before we speak. बहुत बार हम नहीं करते. Ideally, when we listen to someone speak, we should start thinking on it simultaneously. The people who have developed this habit will comprehend more and will no doubt have valid points for discussion after listening. While thinking, we should free ourselves of any bias which we have about any aspect of the topic. We should develop a habit of unbiased thinking with an open mind to receive diverse ideas on the same topic, and listen until you think on the other's argument without bias. You will not be able to develop a comprehensive thought opinion on the issue. So जो last point है वो ये है कि बहुत बार we have a fixed idea in our mind about something. We are not ready to talk to someone else. We are not ready to listen to someone else about some different aspect on that topic. But that means you have a closed personality. But for good communication skills, you should have an open personality. You should be able to listen properly to what the other person is saying. देखो वो व्यक्ति आपका ओपिनियन नहीं बदल सकता, लेकिन आपको उसको चांस देना है, आपको उसको उसकी बात सुन लेना है. Many a times that person must be better updated than you. He must have had first hand knowledge, and therefore he can give you new ideas on the topic, and that will be helpful for you to get a very comprehensive idea of the topic. Now, what are keys to good communication? These are the 4 things: what, when, where and how. What? Have a clear idea of what you want to communicate before you say something. तो आपका मुंह खोलने से पहले सोच लो क्या आपको बोलना है. When? According to the message, you have to decide the correct timing of the utterance. कब बोलना है ये भी ज़रूरी है. Choose the right place for uttering your speech. कहाँ बोलना है, जगह वो भी important है. और कैसे बोलना है. Choose the right tone of your utterance. जैसे मैंने कॉम्प्लीमेंट के बारे में कहा कि आपने वर्ड्स अच्छे से चूज़ किया, शायद ओकेजन भी अच्छे से चूज़ किया और टाइम भी अच्छे से चूज़ किया, लेकिन आपका टोन अगर गलत है तो वो पूरा कम्युनिकेशन फेल हो जाता है. What stops the smooth flow of communication? There are many barriers. बहुत रुकावटें आ जाती हैं आपके स्मूथ फ्लो ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन में. तो वो क्या रुकावटें हैं, बैरियर्स हैं, हम देखते हैं. Read and understand some barriers. यहाँ मैंने देखा है कि it is a very important thing to learn to talk to people you disagree with. हाँ, आपके अच्छे communication skills हैं तो ऐसे व्यक्ति आपके सामने आ जाते हैं जिनसे आपके मतभेद है, तो उनको अकेले नहीं छोड़ना है, उनको आपको इंक्लूड करना है. तो आपके कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स यूज़ करके आपको उनको फ्रेंड बनाना है, ना कि शत्रु. The next thing, which is a very important truth which is given, is the most important thing in communication is hearing what isn't said. बहुत important है ये. जैसे reading between the lines कहा जाता है इंग्लिश में. So in the same way, hearing what is not said. So the tone here, you know, if I say you have to do this work, yes, the tone and my emphasis on the word have is important. Yes. So I may not say that what I'm going to do if you are not able to do that work, but then my tone should make you understand that this is very important and that you have to do this work. Now again we are taking a comprehensive look at what are the barriers to good communication. Language, as I said, that you may be using different languages, and that is why you don't understand. Sometimes you use the same language but one is using very pure language, another impure one is using simple words, another difficult words, and therefore you don't understand. Noise we have already discussed. There can be outside noise, and because of which communication does not take place effectively. There are many distractions. The TV program is going on, then there are outside noises, because of which you are more interested in something else, and that is why distractions are there. Then there are put downs, like as I said, the tone of the person with whom you are talking is humiliating, insulting. You don't like to talk to that person, and therefore the communication process won't be smooth. Then lack of interest, which we have again discussed so many times, that if you're not interested in that communication, if you don't like the topic, if you don't like the person, there will be no concentration, no listening skills, and the communication won't be effective. Then there are many times difficulties, disabilities, like a person might be deaf, the technology might not be right, it might not be working properly, and therefore there are hindrances to the communication process. Many a times we are not comfortable discussing any topic, we are shy with it, you don't like to discuss that topic, and therefore the communication process won't be smooth. Then there are distance, you are far away from each other, the voice doesn't reach properly, the mic is not proper, and therefore there is communication gap. Then there are too many questions in your mind about the topic, and what happens that those questions crowd in your mind, and because of which you're not able to concentrate. And if you're able to ask those questions, okay, but if you're not able to ask, then you will be not able to hear properly, listen to properly in the communication process. Then there are other people, imagine that you're traveling by train and you are trying to communicate, but there are other people who are making noise, there are hawkers who are shouting their wares, there is train noise. So because of that you are not able to have a smooth flow of words or communication. Then there is time, your friend might be residing in America, your sister might be in America, so there are different time zones because of which you cannot communicate properly. Someone likes to get up early and communicate, someone likes to sit up late at night and communicate, so there is a difference in time zones, and therefore you are not able to communicate properly. So I hope you have understood all these different barriers. Now what is your job is to try to work on these barriers and try to see that we remove most of them for effective communication. Now just now we had gone through this communication barrier, that we were locked in our homes, there was lockdown and we couldn't meet our relatives, but man has already developed technology and we use this technology. See, technology now serves as a critical thread that ties many of us together in learning. When communicating, please remember, look at the persons when you talk to them. So these are the keys to good communication. Please girls, pay attention to all these and try to develop them in your personality. So start looking at the person when you talk to them. You should not be too loud or too soft. Speak clearly. Be polite and pleasant. Give a thought to other person's feelings and interest. And when you listen, try to listen very nicely with concentration. When in a group, please remember, these are the precautions which you have to take when you are in a group, when you are conversing. Don't keep talking all the time. You should give chance to others, let others speak also. Show interest in what others say and listen carefully. When you agree with others and like their ideas, do tell them. Yes, it's very important for communication, smooth flow of communication. Oiling, like you need to oil to make it smooth. Like the doors are there, you need to oil them so that they don't make creaking sounds. In the same way, your relationships need to be oiled by giving compliments or by telling someone that how good he is at certain things. Then you should share your ideas and thoughts with others. If you do not understand something, ask for an explanation politely. Use polite words and expressions when you want to interrupt someone, or when you disagree with someone, or when you seek explanations and give them. So politeness, manners, they are very, very important. So for good communication, you should have a pleasant personality, a smiling personality. You should have confidence, and plus you should have the required manners and etiquette. A wondrous key to good communication I would like to add is humor. I feel is the right garnishing you need for any communication. It makes your communication interesting and engaging. Yes. Humor, all of you know, hasi mazak. So if a speaker comes to your college and for 10-15 minutes he has said something, then he knows that the attention span is 10-15 minutes. In between he will crack some joke and again he will try to relieve the concentration level. So, to summarize, the communication process goes on like this. We listen to people who are talking, we give importance to them. At the same time, we think on what they have said and then we speak to them. If this goes on in this way, the communication will be very, very effective. आपको अच्छी तरह से सुनना है, उस पर अच्छी तरह से विचार करना है, कोई भी बायस मन में नहीं रखना है और फिर ओपनली बात करना है. स्पीकिंग. Remember this quote for inspiration towards good communication. ये एक oft quoted quote है. Communication is a skill that you can learn. It is like riding a bicycle or typing. If you are willing to work at it, you can rapidly improve the quality of every part of your life. This is a quotation by Brian Tracy. So always remember this quotation. That's all for the first day, girls. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation and I would be very happy to receive your feedback. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank Dr. Urmila Dabir Madam, Principal of Rajkumar Keval Ramani College, and Professor Deepashri Patil Madam, Officiating Principal of our college, for giving us permission to have this collaborative venture. And a very good day to you and happy learning. Thank you.